Starting a videography business is a thrilling journey, but it can be a bit like setting up a blockbuster film. There's a lot of behind-the-scenes work. One of the first steps is to form an LLC, which stands for Limited Liability Company. Why is this important? Well, it helps protect your personal assets from any potential business risks. This way, if something goes wrong in the business, your personal savings and belongings are safe. Now, before we dive into the nuts and bolts of setting up your LLC, let's pause for a moment to appreciate the legal side of things. So, back to setting up that LLC. Think of it as creating a safety net for your videography business. You'll want to come up with a unique name for your LLC, something catchy and memorable, yet professional. Check with your state's business registry to make sure no one else is using it. Once you've got your name, file the necessary paperwork. This is where legalregistration.com can really simplify things for you. Next, you'll need to draft an operating agreement. This document outlines how your business will be run, covering everything from decision-making processes to profit sharing. Even if you're flying solo, having this sorted out can prevent headaches down the road. Don't forget about the tax ID. It's like a social security number for your business. You'll need it to open a bank account, file taxes, and hire employees down the line. Again, legalregistration.com can assist in obtaining this. Another great advantage of forming an LLC for your videography business is that it boosts your professional image. Clients often feel more confident hiring someone with a registered business, and having a LLC attached to your company name signals that you take your craft seriously. This can lead to better contracts, bigger projects, and even long-term partnerships. Now, let's talk about the fun stuff. Financing. You might need some gear to get started, and while it's tempting to go all out, start modestly. Invest in quality over quantity and upgrade as your business grows. Remember, an LLC doesn't need to break the bank. Lastly, get insured. This isn't just about protecting your equipment, but also about covering potential liabilities. Imagine filming a wedding and accidentally damaging a venue. Insurance helps cover those unexpected situations that could otherwise derail your business. Remember, setting up an LLC is just the beginning. It gives you a solid foundation to build on. Once you've got that sorted, you'll be ready to focus on what you love most, capturing amazing moments. This video is brought to you by legalregistration.com. We're the #1 online service for incorporating businesses, making it a breeze to get your LLC up and running. Check out our services at legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy filming.